Hey there, need to access money from your IRA before retirement, but want to avoid the 10% penalty? There are specific, IRS-approved ways to make penalty-free withdrawals. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's what you need to know. The IRS allows penalty-free early withdrawals from an IRA for several qualified exceptions, including first-time home purchase, up to $10,000, higher education expenses, certain medical costs, or if you become permanently disabled. The process involves taking a distribution from your Fidelity IRA for the exact qualified amount. You will still owe ordinary income tax on the withdrawal, but not the early withdrawal penalty. My crucial pro tip: talk to a tax advisor first. These rules are complex and require specific conditions to be met. A professional can help you navigate the paperwork and ensure you don't trigger an unexpected tax bill or penalty by mistake. That's how you understand your options for accessing your savings in a true financial need. Have you ever had to use a penalty-free IRA exception? What was your experience? Tell me below. For more guides on navigating complex financial rules, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.